So Elon Musk jumps into the OpenAI saga that was happening over the last, whatever it was, 3 days. It seems like 10 years, but he's saying this letter about OpenAI was just sent to me. These seem like concerns worth investigating. And he posts a GitHub link, which does not lead to anything for. So it seems like he posted something, it was taken down. I was able to find the actual letter that he posted online. I'm going to go ahead and post it to Natural 20, my site, so that you're able to read for yourself. One thing that I want to say up front is there was a number of things that kept popping up during this whole controversy with OpenAI and the board and Sam Altman being fired that I couldn't verify. I could not make sure it was real. And in general, I kind of filtered out the stuff that I thought was just nonsense. There were some posts on Reddit that didn't seem right to me. It seemed like it was just a troll taking advantage of the situation. And so even I read through the whole thing, I dismissed it. I didn't post about it. So just letting you know up front, I'm not endorsing any of this. I'm not saying this is real. This is not verified. If anyone else has posted it besides someone like Elon Musk or Sam Altman or Ilya, or there's just a few people that I think could have posted it and made waves with this letter. So again, the only reason I am posting it here is because Elon Musk posted it. At this point, it's just an anonymous letter addressed to Elon Musk. The allegations in this letter, we have no idea whether they're true or not. I am just letting you know what it says, so you're in the loop. I'm not saying this is real. So this is the post on Natural 20. I will go ahead and link it in the description. So Elon Musk says, this letter about OpenAI was just sent to me. This seems like concerns worth investigating, and the link does not work. But here's the contents of the original link. Again, if this turns out to be nonsense, I apologize. I'm letting you know in advance. It might be nonsense, but it goes to the board of directors of OpenAI. We are former OpenAI employees who left the company during a period of significant turmoil and upheaval. As you have now witnessed what happens when you dare stand up to Sam Altman, perhaps you can understand why so many of us have remained silent for fears of repercussions. We can no longer stand by silent. We believe that a significant number of OpenAI employees were pushed out of the company to facilitate its transition to a for-profit model. This is evidenced by the fact that OpenAI's employee attrition rate between January 2018 and July 2020 was in the order of 50%. I don't know if that's true, but that is something to look into. Throughout our time at OpenAI, we witnessed a disturbing pattern of deceit and manipulation by Sam Altman and Greg Brockman, driven by their insatiable pursuit of achieving artificial general intelligence, AGI. Their methods, however, have raised serious doubts about their true intentions and the extent to which they genuinely prioritize the benefit for all humanity. Many of us, initially hopeful about OpenAI's mission, chose to give Sam and Greg the benefit of the doubt. However, as their actions became increasingly concerning, those who dared to voice their concerns were silenced or pushed out. This systematic silencing of dissent created an environment of fear and intimidation, effectively stifling any meaningful discussion about the ethical implications of OpenAI's work. We provide concrete examples of Sam and Greg's dishonesty and manipulation, including Sam's demand for researchers to delay reporting progress on specific secret research initiatives, which were later dismantled for failing to deliver sufficient results quickly enough. Those who questioned this practice were dismissed as bad culture fits and even terminated, some just before Thanksgiving 2019. So this next part, read that for yourself. I don't want to read it out loud. I don't want this in the transcript. I don't want any clips of myself commenting on it because again, we don't know at this point what is true, what isn't. But effectively, they're talking about creating a hostile work environment for one of the coworkers. Next one is Sam directing IT and operations staff to conduct investigations into employees, including Ilya, without the knowledge or consent of management. Sam's discreet yet routine exploitation of OpenAI's nonprofit resources to advance his personal goals, particularly motivated by his grudge against Elon following their falling out. The operation team's tacit acceptance of the special rules that apply to Greg, navigating intricate requirements to avoid being blacklisted. Not sure what that means. Brad Lightcap's unfulfilled promise to make public the documents detailing OpenAI's capped profit structure and the profit cap for each investor. Sam's incongruent promises to research products for compute quotas, causing internal distrust and infighting. Despite the mounting evidence of Sam and Greg's transgressions, Those who remain at OpenAI continue to blindly follow their leadership, even at significant personal cost. This unwavering loyalty stems from a combination of fear of retribution and the allure of potential financial gains through OpenAI's profit participation units. The governance structure of OpenAI, specifically designed by Sam and Greg, deliberately isolates employees from overseeing the for-profit operations precisely due to their inherent conflict of interests. This opaque structure enables Sam and Greg to operate with impunity, shielded from accountability. Anyways, I'm curious to know what you think. I'm always hesitant to post stuff like this because I don't want to be seen as spreading nonsense or spreading rumors or adding to the noise. At the same time, I mean, these are the major players in the game. Elon Musk, love him or hate him, whether you agree with him, disagree with him, his words move markets. They shape public opinion. I know he's not a fan of OpenAI. There's definitely a grudge there. Whatever the case, I don't know if it's the right thing for me to do to post this. But personally, when I see something like this that leads to a 404, I hate this. I can't stand this. I have to do whatever it takes to dig up the information because somebody thought to post it and some third party or whatever decided to take it down. This happened a few times with various research posted, and it seems like it happened again here. So maybe I'm just doing this out of my own pet peeve for not having access to certain information. But I want to know what you think. Me personally, I'm glad that it seems like OpenAI is getting back on track. The team is back together. Again, 95% of the employees at OpenAI did sign the paperwork saying they will follow Sam wherever he goes, to Microsoft or wherever. So it seems like the team is aligned. The team is committed. They're all together. Ilya, even though he strayed, I guess, he maybe went against Sam briefly. He said he deeply regrets his actions and he wants to reunite the team. So whatever is going on, I'm sure we'll find out in due time. This is just another piece of the puzzle. I'll link this down below if you want to read it. But again, I have no clue what percent of this, if any, is real. My name is Wes Raw. Thank you for watching.